Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Apple Pay on Steam, right? So it's very easy. So here you can see all the fantastic games are listed here. So if I just want to buy a game, let's say that I just want to buy the Forza Horizon 5, that's pretty cool racing game, right? So once I go here, right, and let me just pause this video. Okay, so if you just scroll down, you can just buy Forza Horizon 5, whatever the edition you want. So let's say that I want to buy the other expensive one, right? So you can see here that whether you want to purchase as a gift or a purchase from myself. So of course I just want to purchase from myself, so I will just go here, and if I just go to the drop down right here, you will get this all the option from which I can pay, right? So here you can see that we accept the following secure payments method. So here you can see that Visa, MasterCard, Skrill, and there's a net banking, wallet, right? Everything it is accepted here, but you can say there's a no option of Apple Pay, right? So you can't accept, right? I mean, they don't want to accept the Apple Pay, whatever the reason it could be. But if you still want to buy through the Apple Pay, then that's difficult to do it. But there is only one solution, that you can just go for a wallet, right? So here you can see that here it says that prepaid wallet. So if you have a prepaid wallet, then of course you can use the Apple Pay. So this is the only solution which I can show you. So I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video.